Introducing the Gurus and Their Principles, Benjamin Graham. Benjamin Graham was the greatest investment advisor of the 20th century. He is considered to be the father of investment analysts everywhere. His textbook, Security Analysis, is one of the most influential financial books ever written. It is considered to be the Bible of financial investing. This book helped transform the practice of financial analysis from a trade to a science. The principles outlined by him are still highly relevant in today's different markets. His other book, The Intelligent Investor, is written for the layman. According to Warren Buffett, it is by far the best book on investing ever written. Graham came by his insight the hard way, by personally experiencing the anguish of financial loss early on. He spent years studying the history and psychology of the markets. He came from a family of limited means and won a scholarship to Columbia University, where he studied English, philosophy, and mathematics. From 1936 until his retirement in 1956, his firm, Graham Newman Corp., had one of the best long-term records in the history of Wall Street. How did he do it? Using his keen insight into the stock markets. Along with a lot of common sense, he developed his core principles, which are as valid today as they were then. Some of his most important principles of investing are: a stock is an ownership interest in an actual business. It has an underlying value that doesn't depend on its share price. The market is like a pendulum. It swings between unsustainable optimism, which makes stocks expensive, and unjustified pessimism, which makes them too cheap. An intelligent investor profits from these swings. The returns on an investment are a function of its purchase price. The higher the purchase price, the lower the return. An investor can minimize his risk by maintaining a margin of safety, never overpaying for an investment. Develop your own discipline and courage and never be swayed by other people's moods. How you behave is a lot more important than how your investments behave. These principles have withstood the test of time the world over. Many investment professionals, as well as amateurs, have used these principles successfully over the years to enrich their clients and themselves.